going on? It's JB coming to you live from Koh-Samui. The time here is just almost 10 a.m. I have just had a nice English breakfast with some tea, some juice, doing my thing, and there's a bro saying hello to me. See me vlogging. I'm here with Michael. He's out doing some work. I'm out here doing some exploring. And we've only got a couple of days here, maybe one night here in Koh-Samui. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to actually show you guys around. But let me show you the feels of it. It's a cool little area. Bunch of shops, restaurants, massage parlors, haircut shops, clothing shops, lots of resorts on this side. Busier place than Koh Phangan. Koh Samui is a bigger island. They have lots of city centers, as opposed to Koh Phangan. We only have one city center that I'm aware of. Over here they have multiple city centers. Where I'm staying, there isn't a clear city center here. I left my scooter on the other island, so I'm on foot. That's how the taxis are over here. Here's where I'm staying. It's called Dragon Lounge. No, C-Suite. C-Suite. Dragonfly. My apartment's out here. Out there is the beach area. It's quite nice. Alright, we have some rest. I'll see you guys soon.